Hello and welcome back everyone. As we have learned shoot the bird of 8 in the previous lesson, today we are going to learn shoot the bird of 9. If this is your first time on my channel, watch my previous videos. You will find the link in my description box. Now you must be thinking, what is shoot the bird? Now shoot the bird is also called as lazy friends. Don't worry, we are not shooting any birds. It's simply a unique and a memorable name given to this technique to help students remember it easily. And here's the best part. There are no formulas to memorize, no friends to remember. Just one simple technique that makes addition much more easier. Let's get started. First one. 5 plus 9. I place 5 on Abacus. Now plus 9. How will I do plus 9? As we have learned big friend addition of 9. So what is the formula for plus 9? It is plus 10 less 1. Plus 10. I do it. Now less 1. How will I do? I cannot do less 1 here because I have 5. I don't have anything in the lower beats. So for less 1, I have to use another formula. That is the small friend subtraction formula. That is less 5 plus 4. So 5. Now I am to add 9. That is plus 10 less 1. So for less 1, I have to use another formula. That is less 5 plus 4. My answer is 14. So for one question, we are using two different formulas and we have to remember two friends. That is big friend addition and small friend subtraction. Now this can be very confusing, especially for the beginners. That's exactly why we are learning shoot the bird concept. In today's lesson, I will explain you why, when and how to use this technique step by step. Now let us solve this question with the help of shoot the bird. Now shoot the bird. What is the formula for it? Let us understand. For plus 9, it is 10 up. Then 5 up and 4 up. Let me explain you what does up means. Okay. Now as we know, the beats coming towards the value bar, the beats that are coming towards the value bar, it means addition. And the beats that moves away from value bar, it means subtraction. Okay. So when I say it up, 10 up means I am doing addition here. But when I say 5 up, it means I am doing subtraction. So now see the magic. We will use both the formulas and we don't have to remember any of the friends. Now see the magic of shoot the bird. Okay, 5 here. Now plus 9. How would I do plus 9? The shoot the bird technique, that is plus 10. So I would say 10 up. I did 10 up. Now I have to do 5 up. How will I do 5 up? 5 up. And now I will do 4 up. 4 up. That's it. My answer is 14. 10 up I am using in place of big friend addition. 5 I am using in place of small friend subtraction. Now it's very easy to remember. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 5 up, 4 up. Okay. Let us do it again. 5. Now plus 9. How will I do plus 9? That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 14. Now let us solve one more example. 15 plus 9. 15. Now plus 9. Again, how will I do plus 9? Shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 24. Did you notice something? We have skipped both the formulas, yet we were able to solve it very easily without remembering any friends. And most important, shoot the bird technique is for addition. It is used only for addition. And we can only use this technique when the 5 bead is touching the value bar. If it is away from the value bar, we cannot use it. Now you must be thinking, how do we understand, are we using shoot the bird or are we using big friend addition? Okay, now there are 3 conditions for this. Now first thing is direct addition. Always go for direct addition. If direct addition is not possible, then you have to go for big friend addition. If big friend addition is also not possible, then you have to go for shoot the bird technique. Now let us practice a few more questions where we can decide whether we are using shoot the bird or we are using big friend addition method. Let us begin. First one, 16 less 1 plus 9. 16. First we place the number, less 1, direct subtraction, and now plus 9. Now always check, can we do direct addition here? No. Direct addition is not possible. Can I use big friend addition? No. Again, lower beads, we don't have anything to subtract. What about shoot the bird? Yes, we can go for shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 24. Next one. 35 plus 9 less 3. 35 plus 9. How will I do plus 9 again? Direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition also I cannot do. So I have to use shoot the bird technique. So for plus 9 it is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. Okay. Now less 3. How will I do less 3? Direct subtraction. My answer is 41. Next. 56 plus 9 plus 9. 56. Now plus 9. Direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition? Yes, I can use big friend addition. What is the formula? It is plus 10 less 1. Okay. Now again plus 9. Now what will I do? I will use shoot the bird technique. 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 74. Next, 67 less 2 plus 9. 67 less 2. Direct subtraction. Now plus 9. Over here direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition also I cannot do. I have to use shoot the bird. So the formula for shoot the bird is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 74. Next, 75 plus 9 plus 9. 75. Now plus 9 is direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition also I cannot use. So I have to use shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. Now again plus 9. How will I do plus 9? I have to use big friend addition. That is plus 10 less 1. My answer is 93. Next one. 51 plus 9 plus 9. 51. Now plus 9. Again, can I use direct addition? No, I can only add 8. I cannot add 9. So I have to use big friend addition. So the formula is plus 10 less 1. Now again plus 9. How will I do plus 9? Can I use direct addition? Yes, I can. That's it. So my answer is 69. Next, 17 less 7 plus 9. 17 less 7. Less 7 is direct subtraction. And now plus 9. How will I do plus 9? Can I do direct addition here? Yes, I can. So my answer is 19. 77 plus 8 plus 9. 77. Now plus 8. How will I do plus 8? The formula plus 10 less 2. Now plus 9. How will I do plus 9? Direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition also I cannot use. So I have to use shoot the bird. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 94. 25 plus 9 less 4. 25 plus 9. How will I do plus 9? Is it correct? No? Did I do some mistake here? Yes, I made a mistake. Instead of 10 up, I did 10 down. This is a very common mistake students usually make. They do it very much in a hurry. So they, instead of up, they do the down position and they get it wrong. So always go slow and make sure you check your answers. Now 25 plus 9. I will use shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. And now less 4. My answer is 30. Now next one, 80 less 5 plus 9. 80 less 5. I cannot do direct subtraction, so I have to use big friend subtraction here. The formula is less 10 plus 5. Now plus 9. How will I do? I have to use shoot the bird technique. Very good. That is 10 up, 5 up, 4 up. My answer is 84. Wow, that's it. You have just learned one of the easiest technique in Abacus. Remember, Abacus is not about memorizing dozens of formulas. It is about understanding patterns and training your brain to think faster. The more you practice, the more confident, accurate and faster you will become. If you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new, please like this video. Leave your question in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can. Share this video with your friends and family who wants to learn Abacus. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatema.